What is up guys, done at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create groups in Mailchimp. So first you need to head over to your Mailchimp account and then you need to log in with your Mailchimp account credentials. And after that, when you're redirected to the home page on the left side, you need to click on audience. And after clicking on audience, here the audience section will open. From here on the right side, you can see the button of more options. Click on this more options button and then click on groups. After clicking on groups, here the groups window will open. So if you haven't created a group, you will see the option to create a group. Simply click on this and then you need to choose the group type and then the group category. And then you need to write the options of the groups, and you can add some more options by just clicking on add option. And when you are done, on the right side, just simply click on create group to create a new group in Mailchimp. So as you can see, the group has been successfully created. So this is how you can create new groups in Mailchimp. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.